Hi, welcome to the first episode of the Finance Up for Doctors. My name is Mutiat, specialized accountant and founder of GS Assure Solution. Every Monday, I will simplify tax, accounting, and financial matters so you can spend time worrying about money and more time caring about your patient. Today's questions on today's episode is: can medical professionals claim back expenses? Let's imagine this for a second. Imagine you get a job at Starbucks or let's say McDonald's. And your first day, the manager looks at you and say, "Welcome to the team. That will be £500 for your uniform and £400 a year just for you to have the right to flip burgers." I don't know about you, I would definitely walk out of that door or tell the manager, "Is this a joke?" Yet, as an NHS doctor, this is exactly what you do every single year. Doctors are one of the only professions where you are on a PAYE employee, but you're forced to pay thousands of pounds out of your own pocket just for you to do your job. This can range from the GMC fee, indemnity insurance, equipment, mileage, rotation from one hospital to another, exams fees, and costs are minimal. But here's a secret most doctor miss. Because it feels normal and part of the training, you don't realize HMRC expects you to claim tax relief on those expenses I've mentioned earlier on. And how would HMRC know? Because they don't know what expenses you've actually spent to do your job. So if you're paying, for example, if you're paying 40% tax, that means HMRC will literally give you 40% back of that money. If you just, like they say, if you don't ask, you don't get. You wouldn't buy your own uniform as a fat food joint, would you? No, you wouldn't. So stop paying full price to work in the NHS. You can drop a comment below and tell me the last exam you paid out of pocket for, and I'll show you how to get the money back. If you're listening to the Finance Hub for the first time, which is its first episode anyway, if you find today's episode helpful, please share it with another doctor who might benefit. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye for now.